In earlier video, I explained the coordinate geometry and Cartesian plane. And in this video, I am explaining linear equation with two variables. Earlier classes, you have studied about linear equation with one variable. Now, linear equation with two variables. That is ax plus b equals to 0. Means this is linear equation with two variable. Okay. By equals to 0. Now example based on linear equation with two variable. Okay. So question 1 is write two solutions for given equation. First is 3x plus 4y equals to 7. Okay. So in this equation I am going to substitute value of x and y. If I am taking x equals to 1. X equals to 1 means 3 into 1 plus 4y equals to 7. That is 4y equals to 7 minus 3. So y equals to 4 upon 4. 4 means y equals to 1. Okay. So now I am taking if x equals to 1, so y equals to also 1. Next I am substituting x equals to minus 2. Any number you can take. So x equals to minus 2. So 3 into minus 2 plus 4y equals to 7. That is minus 6 plus 4y equals to 7. So 4y equals to 13. So y equals to 13 upon 4. Okay. Now we will draw x, y. If x equals to 1, y equals to also 1. If x equals to minus 2, y equals to 13 upon 4. Okay. Now next question, x plus pi y equals to 4. So again we will substitute x equals to 1. If x equals to 1, so 1 plus pi y equals to 4. That is pi y equals to 3 means y equals to 3 upon pi. Only this much. If f equals to 1, so in this equation y equals to 3 upon pi. Now x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. So minus 1 plus pi y equals to 4. So pi y equals to 4. So y equals to, sorry, it is 5 because 4 ये इस तरफ आएगा तो प्लस 1 हो जाएगा. So 5, so it will be 5 upon pi. Okay. So we will draw a chart y. If value of x is 1, value of y is 3 upon pi, and value of 3 upon pi, and x equals to minus 1, value of y will be 5 upon pi. Okay. Now, next question. If x equals to minus 1, y equals to 2 is a solution of equation 3x plus 4y equals to k, find value of k. Okay. So, its solution will be, we will substitute x and y in this equation with its value, that is minus 1 and 2. Okay. So, 3x plus 4y equals to k. Value of x is given minus 1 and value of y is given 2 equals to k. So, minus 3 plus 8 equals to k. So, value of k will be 5. Okay. It's our answer. So, next question is draw graph of linear equation with two variables. Okay. So, in earlier questions I explained how to find out value of x and y. Okay. So, simply substitute value of x or y. So, if I am taking value of x minus 1, it is not writing. So, I am taking x equals to minus 1. Minus 1 plus y equals to 6. So, y equals to 6 minus 1. So, value of x is 5. Okay. X, y, value of x is minus 1. So, y equals to 5. Okay. And again, I am taking x equals to, here I have taken x equals to minus 1. Now I am taking x equals to 2. Okay. So, x equals to 2. So, minus 2 plus y equals to 6. So, y equals to 8. So, 2 and 8. Now, in Cartesian plane, in last video, I explained how to draw a Cartesian plane. Okay, graph. So, I hope you understood that how to draw this. First coordinates are minus 1 and 5. Minus 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this. We got a point A here. It is minus 1 and 5. Now, next coordinates are 2 and 8. 2 in x-axis and 8 in y-axis. So, 2 and 8. We got the point B, that is 2, 8. Okay. Now, next question is, sorry, I have forgotten to draw line. Okay. So, now we will draw a line which will pass through from A and B. You will use a scale to draw this line. Okay. So it is our graph for this equation. Now next example is x minus 2 upon 3 equals to y minus 3. So its solution will be x minus 2 equals to 3y minus 9. It will transpose there and multiply with these two numbers. So equation will be x minus 3y equals to minus 7. Okay. So now we will substitute x equals to 1 I am taking. So x equals to 1. So value will be 1 minus 3y equals to minus 7. So y equals to minus 8 upon minus 3. That will be 8 upon 3. See, x, if we take x equals to 1, and so our value of y will be this. So it will become, value will come in decimal. So we will take quite easier value for x and y. So x equals to minus 7. That will become, equation is this. Okay. So minus 7 minus 3y equals to 7. So value of y will become 0. Okay. Now if I take x equals to minus 1. So x equals to minus 1 minus 3y equals to minus 7. So value of y will be minus 6 upon minus 3 means 2. Okay. Now we will draw box x, y. X equals to minus 7, so y equals to 0, and x equals to minus 1, so y equals to 2, and when x was 1 plus 1, so y was 8 upon 3. Okay. Now we will draw this value in graph. Okay. So first coordinate will be minus 7 and 0. Minus 7 and 0 will fall in second quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and value of y is 0, so it will come here. So we got point A and value is minus 7 and 0. Now second value is minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2. So here. Okay. So we got point B, that is minus 1 and 2. Now we will draw a line from these points . Okay. So we got graph for equation x minus 2 upon 3 equals to y minus 3.